Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am here to do my drawing to my IC, my index card challenge that I hosted. This is my first challenge that I ever hosted, and I got 33 entries, and I am so excited. I would say it was a good success. And let's get picking. So I am mixing it all up. I'm hoping that none has fallen out. I'm not even looking I'm looking at my computer. So let me pick out. Here is the lucky winner. And I have everybody written down. I have them all written down here. Let me come down a little closer so you guys can see. So I have everybody written down. Everybody written down. So all 33. Okay. So let me see who the lucky number is. Lucky person is number 32. Number 32 is Dayton's mom, Linda. Oh, I'm sorry, Dayton's grandma. Yay! Alrighty. I believe I have your address, Linda, and thanks for participating. I'm going to staple this right here so I know you're the winner to my IC challenge. Thanks everybody for stopping by today. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.